The iron is calibrated and the thermostat position marked to indicate 200, 225, 250, and 350 degrees while the iron is sitting on a half-inch thick stack of paper towels for insulation. A thermometer is placed between the paper towels and the iron in the center of the iron sole plate to indicate the temperature. The thermotransfer from the iron surface to the thermometer is more accurate through a white pigmented silicone heatsink compound commonly used on electronic components. It is available at electronic stores and through polyfiber distributors. All silicone must be thoroughly cleaned from the iron surface before contact with the fabric. Otherwise, the coatings won't bond.
To verify that statement, I'll demonstrate some of my standard evaluation tests.
The first demonstration with this test rig will be fabric tension at 25-degree heat increments starting at 225 degrees. This 2-inch wide strip of fabric is styled D103, and the iron contact area is exactly 50 inches long. The tape routes under a roller to pull directly on the dial scale. All slack is removed by adjusting the turnbuckle, and the scale still indicates no tension. At 225 degrees, the tension is 15 ounces. At 250 degrees, the tension increases to 1 pound 10 ounces. At 275 degrees, the tension is 3 pounds 4 ounces. At 300 degrees, the tension is 4 pounds. At 325 degrees, the tension is 4 pounds 5 ounces. At 350 degrees, the tension is 4 pounds 7 ounces, which is almost 2¼ pounds per inch width. At 375 degrees, the tension is starting to release and now reads only 4 pounds 6 ounces. At 400 degrees, the tension has dropped to 4 pounds 1 ounce. And at 425 degrees, as expected, the filaments have weakened as they start to melt, and the fabric has separated. As indicated by these tests, the maximum tension is developed at about 350 degrees, and if not heated at least to that temperature, loose fabric which balloons between the wing ribs under flight loads and expands and wrinkles in cold weather can be expected. While the drop-off in tension is rather flat when approaching 400 degrees, there is a narrow range between 400 degrees and the temperature the filaments will separate. The 350-degree target leaves a little safety margin for an erratic iron and inaccurate temperature calibration.